Hello kids, how are you all? Hope you all are fine, fit? Okay, very nice. So, welcome back to the class of English literature as it is the turn of English literature. Now, as you can see, we are going to start with a new chapter, chapter number 9, and the name of the chapter is The Magic Money Bag. The Magic Money Bag. By the name, did something strike in your mind? Yes, magic. It's very interesting chapter. In this chapter, I am telling you before starting what is the chapter about. Here the chapter is about a couple. Couple means the husband and wife, both. They were very poor. They used to live in a small hut, झोपड़ी जिसे कहते हैं, hut. And they were poor. They used to cut firewood, लकड़ी जो होती है जलाने वाली, आग जलाने वाली. They used to cut firewood and sell them in the market and got rice, grain, whatever they wanted for living. So once what happened with them, they got a magic money bag. From where you will get in the story, they got a magic money bag. And what was the magic money bag? Money bag means पैसों का थैला. And with that magic money bag, some instructions were also given to them. Some warnings were also given to the couple to follow, but they did not follow that. And at last, what happened? They again came back to their original life as they were. They again become poor. Actually, that money bag was supposed to make them rich, and it was making them rich. वो उनको अमीर बना भी रहा था, but there were some instructions and warnings to be followed, which they did not follow, and due to which, what happened with them? They again became poor and started living their original, the previous life as they were living. Okay. So now next we will read about what is the whole story about. Okay, students. Now let us start. Long ago, there was a young couple who lived in a small thatched hut near a mountain. They were so poor that every day they had to cut 2 bundles of firewood and carry one to the market and use the other to cook their own food. Long ago, there was a young couple. Couple, I told you, it's a husband and wife couple. They are known as together. They lived in a small thatched hut. Thatched means the hut और a room made of straw. Straw जानते हैं, भूसा वगैरह जो होती है, जैसे झोपड़ी बनाई जाती है, leaves, straw and all these things with the help of. They had a very small thatched hut near a mountain, एक पहाड़ के पास, a mountain. They were so poor, they were very poor that every day they had to cut 2 bundles of firewood and carry one to the market and use the other to cook their own food. 2 bundles they used to cut. One they used to carry to the market and the other they used to cook their own food. The other one they used to use in their own house for cooking food and other things. One day the young couple kept the bundle that was to be sold in the courtyard and the other one for their own use in the kitchen. When they woke up the following morning, the bundle outside had mysteriously disappeared. There was nothing to do but to sell the bundle which they had kept for themselves. One day what happened, the young couple, what did they do? They kept the bundle that was to be sold in the courtyard. Courtyard means the spare area outside the house. Veranda या porch जिसे कहते हैं, extra space we have in the house. In the courtyard they kept it, which was to be sold, and the other one for their own use in the kitchen. The other bundle they kept in the kitchen. And when they woke up the next morning when they woke up, what did they see? The bundle outside, which was kept outside the house, had mysteriously disappeared. Mysteriously means unknowingly. Nobody knew how, कैसे. Disappeared means vanished, गायब हो गया. There was nothing to do but to sell the bundle which they had kept for themselves. They don't know, mysteriously it happened, they don't know who has done that. Now they were helpless. What they were supposed to do? They had nothing to do but to sell the bundle which they had kept for themselves. Then what did they do? They took the bundle which they had kept for themselves, जो उन्होंने अपने लिए रखा हुआ था, they sold that bundle. That same day, they cut another 2 bundles of firewood as usual. As usual means daily what we do, daily task what we do, usually we do. So again the same day when they came out away back from the market, again they cut 2 bundles. Again they follow the same thing. They put one bundle in the courtyard for market and kept the other bundle for their own use. The same thing they repeated. But the following morning the bundle in the courtyard had vanished again. Again it vanished. Very strange. How was they getting vanished, and who was doing? Nobody knew. They don't know how. The same thing happened on the third and fourth day as well. Again the third day it happened. The fourth day also the same thing happened. And they could not understand why this strange thing was going on. And the couple, the both husband and wife, they were unable to understand that why was it happening with them. कितनी अजीब सी चीज़ हो रही थी उनके साथ, and क्यों हो रही थी, why it was happening. On the fifth day, the husband made a hollow in the bundle of firewood in the courtyard and hid himself inside it. From the outside, it looked just the same as the bundle. At midnight, an enormous rope descended from the sky, attached itself to the bundle, and lifted it up into the sky, with the woodcutter still inside it. Now, what did that husband made a plan? On the fifth day, what he did, he made a hollow. Hollow means having a hole inside something, छेद करना किसी चीज़ में. What he did, he made a hole in the bundle of firewood in the courtyard which he kept and hid himself inside it. Hid means छुपना, छुपा लिया उसने अपने आप को उसके अंदर छुपा लिया. Hid himself. From the outside it looked just the same as the bundle, and from the outside bundle was looking as it is the same bundle. There was no one inside. Nobody knew that man was sitting inside that bundle. At midnight what happened? An enormous rope. Enormous means very big, huge in size, large. A rope descended from the sky. Descended means fall downwards, नीचे गिरना, ऊपर से नीचे आना. ऊपर से एक sky से एक रस्सी आई. Rope means रस्सी, very big in size. Attached itself to the bundle and lifted it up into the sky with the woodcutter still inside it. What that rope did? Rope itself attached to the bundle. वो उसने rope खुद, रस्सी जो थी वो खुद बंडल के ऊपर लिपट गई, अपने आप को उसने लपेट लिया, and lifted it up in the sky, और ऊपर खींचा चली गई, with the woodcutter still inside it, and the woodcutter was still sitting inside that bundle of firewood.